and we're attaching Nambi. So today I've also brought you guys another product, and this product is this beautiful Kent print latex waist trimmer belt. Look at this. This is a latex waist trainer and it's a belt. So like any latex waist trainers, first it has 3 layers. The outside nylon, then there's the inner one which is 100% natural latex, and then there's the inside which is cotton, okay? So this waist trimmer, as you can see, it's a trimmer belt. It doesn't have any zipper or hooks, and it's a belt, and you can stick it with the Velcro. So for that, this front area is okay fabric, okay? So that you can attach the belt to any parts of this front part area, okay? So let me open and show you guys. By the way, look at it, our Velcros are really strong. So this waist trimmer, it has 7 flexible steel bones, okay? So these steel bones are mostly at the back and at the side. So for this, they're going to protect your waist, your back, and these steel bones are also going to tighten up your waist and give you the curvy look we want. And another main benefit of a steel bone is for very long lasting waist trainer, okay? The more steel bone the waist trainer has, the more hard it's going to be to damage the waist trainer, okay? So this one has 7 of them. And also another really special thing about this waist trainer is this elastic belt, okay? Look at this elastic belt. These belts are breathable. You can see it has breathable holes, and they're really elastic. Look. So imagine how tight it's going to hold you. By the way, more than any of the other belts, if you order this elastic belt, you're going to get the best results, because this elastic belts, even from the name, they're really elastic. So they're really thick, and they're going to be really molding your waist like a lot. So you're going to get the best effect from this trimmers, okay? And you can see this trimmer belt, it has 2 layers at the back, right? So it's going to give you an extra back support as well. And by the way, you can see here, this is a laser back area for your logos. You can see this laser back area is really appropriate for your logos. It's the best area. If you also want private labels, private tags, and your own packaging, if you want your own designs, your own specification on this tags, labels, and packaging, you let us know. We can do that, all right? We're manufacturers, by the way. We've been in this business for more than 6 years, so nothing is impossible with us. And this waist trainer, we have it in different sizes, from 3 extra small to 6 or 7 extra large, but that's not all. If you want to go up to 10 extra large, up to any size you want, we can do that. We're manufacturers again, so you can order anything you want, okay? Let me wear it and you're going to see what it looks like, okay? So, as you can see, it's really easy to wear. It doesn't take time like the hooks or the zipper. It's really convenient, especially if you guys hate to struggle with the hooks or zippers, because this one is really easy. You just belt it up and that's it. So you can wear this for postpartum or for working out or just for doing your chores around your house, okay? It's really convenient. And you can see this beautiful print. This is called the Kent design, and it's so pretty. But we also have this waist trainer with different other designs. We have it with rose designs with other colors. Maybe if you want solid colors, we have them in solid colors as well. So you just let us know if you're interested, and if you have any questions, you can DM us on our Instagram page. I'll leave it on the description box, or you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time with more videos, okay?